Let's dive into the concept of MLOps hierarchy of needs. Really, it is like a pyramid, and that at the bottom is DevOps. If you don't have DevOps, there's no possibility of an organization doing MLOps. And some of the key components of DevOps include infrastructure as code, right? Are you able to automatically provision environments and check that into your build system? Can you do continuous delivery of your software stack? So are microservices being delivered in the staging environment and then automatically being propagated to production? And also, have you designed around a build system? Next up, we have data operations. So similarly, once you've gone through and you've got that base level of DevOps, you have to look at your data management platforms. And really, are you using a platform? Are you using something like Google BigQuery or Databricks or Snowflake or Amazon Athena, some platform that makes a serverless, query and visualization workflow very straightforward, and also has the ability to do data jobs and data tasks. The next layer up then would be to use some kind of MLOps platform. You don't want to be building things yourself, going through and taking a lot of time away from your core business goals. So there are things like feature stores that can store the curated features that you can use. You can use specific model serving platforms. You can do experiment tracking with tools that are designed to help you look at different metrics and different explanatory techniques. And then also take a look at things like data drift, where you can look at the measuring impact of a particular model in production and see, has the actual underlying data changed? Finally, once you've got these three things, you're at that MLOps layer. Now, in order to fully implement the MLOps layer, though, you need to think about two things from a business perspective. One, the business ROI. So is the machine learning model that you're creating, is it adding value to the organization, right? That's the business ROI. And then second, are you framing the problem correctly? If you don't frame the problem correctly, it's possible you're solving the wrong problem for your organization. Once you've done that, you can do things like forecasting, looking at predicting the correct amount of inventory, using things like unsupervised machine learning to discover new patterns. And really, this is just an automation workflow. That's really what MLOps is just going through step by step and automating the stack from the software stack to the data stack to the platform stack to ultimately the MLOps stack, which serves as an accelerant to the business value that's already there in an organization. This is the MLOps hierarchy of needs.